Hello everyone, and after I shared the screenshot of my quoting and index system, and some of friends asked me if I can make a video. So here we have an article, and I read it on Readwise, and it automatically adds highlights in TANA. You don't have to use Readwise. You can just write your own codes. Uh, Then after I finish reading, probably the most of the time, the next day, I work on the notes. So I have a literature note field, and that I write the simple version of this highlight, whatever I understood. It's the typical ZL custom method, but sometimes I use AI commands, like asking AI to create a summary. Depends on the complexity of the highlight. You can find lots of commands. Let's actually look what I'm using, and it is, where is it? Yeah, it's like it asks like convert this one into a single idea that can be understood in isolation. That's it. It's a very simple prompt. Then, well, the result was not so atomic anyway. Then I create more atomic versions of literature notes, because it's still very difficult to understand. When you are searching so many of them, you cannot read. And so I create p notes. By the way, these ones are already connected to their parent, because they are child of this one. So in case you want to know where they are coming from, I'm just using this search. Okay, p notes I call them p notes because they remind me permanent notes or pills. So let's use AI again here and to create an atomic note. Okay, this is a very short sentence. Then I finish doing the same thing for all the highlights. This one, I don't know why this one doesn't have. Yep. And sometimes I use TANA highlights to emphasize more for certain sentences. Anyway, let's go to the next one. Then here in the article, I have a field called p notes to find them easily. And let's create a search together, the similar one. Find notes with the tag p note as from grandparent area as list. Okay, now we have them. So then they are all, also connected to literature notes, because it just looks for the parents, because they are actually child of a literature note. So I am searching actually these ones here. Then what I do is I read them one by one carefully and look the connections, and how can I connect them to my own other notes. So I create usually titles. I call them index notes, and the index notes are part of bigger ones, the note clusters. Let's look this example. So we have a contextual aesthetics, which is quite specific field in the aesthetics. Then we have they don't have to be like always like subtitles, but very related to this main topic, and they are they are part of it. And so in this way I can easily find when I'm studying what I need to find, because I don't think at least for me, the keywords doesn't really work. We need more specific titles, and this system it helped me a lot, but also thanks to TANA search engine. And sometimes so we have this index here. Sometimes I duplicate them and put into selected field. Then I ask AI to create a summary of these P notes. And let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope it was clear. And please ask me questions on Twitter if you have. Have a nice day.